The PSET CLOUD is designed to deliver the insights that will help individuals as well as institutions make informed decisions about education, training, and the world of work. Using advanced technologies, the PSET CLOUD facilitates better understanding of and access to opportunities for citizens through the improved use of data. Before we dive into the crux of the user experience, we need to understand who our users are. Users of the PSET CLOUD wear many hats: citizen, student, employer, educator. There is a symbiotic relationship between these user types. Certain features of the platform can be used by all individuals and organizations, such as registration. These engagements generate data which enriches the experience for other users. Let's look at one PSET CLOUD user's journey.
Meet Zanele. Zanele is 18 years old and lives in a rural township in the Eastern Cape. She has just graduated from high school and is unemployed and unsure what to do next. She possesses an entry-level smartphone but has limited access to data. However, Zanele has access to her local library where she can use the internet for a limited time. Zanele is now a NEET, not in education, employment or training, mainly because she has had limited exposure to the working world and does not know what opportunities lie ahead of her with the qualification that she has so far achieved. Furthermore, Zanele is not sure what jobs are in demand and what the requirements are for such job opportunities. Zanele wonders if only there was a central location where I could see what is available for me. Zanele visits her local library and browses the net where she searches for opportunities.
Zanele navigates to the PSET CLOUD where she is able to explore current trends in skills demand and work opportunities. She sees that her maths and ICT skills are high in demand, but that she will have to study further for the positions she's interested in. Zanele decides to join the PSET CLOUD. On joining, she is able to capture her matric certificate, which is automatically verified against government records. Employers and educational institutions can now verify her credentials in a trusted, seamless process through the PSET CLOUD. Zanele also registers for notifications of opportunities that match her skill set. And now, the PSET CLOUD has a job to do.
The PSET CLOUD works through three key principles. The first is interoperability, or the ability to exchange and meaningfully interpret information across systems in order to produce useful results. In other words, the PSET CLOUD brings like-minded systems together to provide the insights and information individuals, institutions, and government need to successfully navigate the worlds of education, skilling, and work. The second principle is self-sovereign identity. Self-sovereign identity, or SSI, leverages blockchain technology, digital wallets, and data mandates to give individuals control of their data, allowing them to grant third parties explicit access to a specific well-defined set of their own data. With SSI, trust between the issuer of a credential and the verifier of a credential is established through automated processes based on an immutable transaction using blockchain, improving efficiencies, reducing or eliminating fraud, and ultimately emphasizing the individual as the owner of their data. Finally, the PSET CLOUD aims to achieve credential fluency. Every person is on a lifelong learning journey, but not all learning takes place in schools. Credential fluency is the idea that informal and non-formal learning, for example skills learned at home, at work, through short courses and so on, can be seamlessly integrated into the formal learning gained in schools, TVETs and universities. Credential fluency can be realized through the user-centric approach, transition to digital qualifications and credentials, improved data interoperability, and closer alignment between learning and the world of work enabled by the PSET CLOUD. Let's see what this means for Zanele.
Once Zanele's information is received, the PSET CLOUD goes to work. applying its key principles of SSI, interoperability, and credential fluency to the complex use of data. The value add of the PSET Cloud comes from integrating multiple data sets together to generate insights spanning multiple stakeholders in real time. The PSET Cloud offers other opportunities for improved matching and efficiencies. For example, the previous employment information a candidate supplies can be verified by the relevant employers. Qualification information can be verified. Trends in employment and training can be pulled in real time, and so much more. In Zanele's case, machine learning is leveraged to match her relevant opportunities based on her past experiences and credentials. The foundation of machine learning is data, and the larger cross-cutting data sets of the PSET Cloud mean the machine learning models created are closer to real-world expectations. Interoperability between datasets and institutions also gives rise to new technologies and processes. As stakeholders integrate functionally, collaboration is fostered that allows for new ideas to take root. At its heart, the PSET Cloud is about synchronizing not only data but also a way of work. For example, in the case of self-sovereign identity, this means the ways in which individuals are identified and how their information is shared. Self-sovereign identity is only one way the PSET Cloud protects users and their privacy. In addition to cybersecurity measures, the PSET Cloud is also designed in compliance with privacy legislation like POPIA, and through methods such as aggregation and potentially even differential privacy, the PSET Cloud can display trends without exposing the unique data of individuals. Now that we've seen how the PSET Cloud does its work, let's check back in with Zanele.
Through its complex processing, the PSET Cloud has found a match for Zanele. Zanele receives a notification on her smart device through SMS and email that there is an opportunity match. Unfortunately, she does not have enough data to regularly use the internet. In its fully realized vision, the PSET Cloud is 0 rated, so Zanele can still log on to her profile from her mobile device and use the features of the PSET Cloud. Zanele logs onto her profile and views her matches online. She finds a learnership opportunity that appeals to her and engages with an employer through the PSET Cloud.
The PSET Cloud offers many benefits to a recent graduate such as Zanele. But the PSET Cloud is not just for youth. It is for everyone seeking to improve their skills or to advance their career. The PSET Cloud also offers opportunities for education and training institutions, which can view and use real-time skills trends to more rapidly review and adjust their education and skilling programs to more accurately meet labor market demand. For employers, the PSET Cloud offers recruitment through advanced technologies to find individuals that match the skills they require. And the principles of self-sovereign identity and alignment between data sets allows employers to, with permission, verify the stated credentials of applicants electronically through a trusted process. For South Africa, the PSET Cloud offers opportunities to collaborate, improve the utilization of data for decision-making and learning, and ultimately contribute to a reality in which all people are connected as part of a lifelong journey of learning and work opportunities.